structure you can see here. These guys are beautiful eyelashes of the clown. So these are the eyelids, right? So you can see the eyelids have eyelashes, two of the accessory structures.
Oh, wow.
And can you see these muscles? What are these muscles? I don't expect you to assume that this is the superior rectus, inferior rectus. No. But in general, know that these muscles are extrinsic eye muscles. These are the accessory structure. They are responsible for the movement of the eyeball, right? So this structure here, guys, is the cornea. This is your cornea, right? And if you remove these accessory structures, actually, which are the muscles and the eyelashes, everything here, you can see the everybody's fine.
So far.
Please sit down. You can see the sclera and cornea both. So this is the cornea. Whatever you have around it is the sclera, right? These two make the outermost layer of the eyeball, which is which layer, Sarah? Tunicle, fibrous tunic, right? So this is fibrous tunic. It consists of the sclera and cornea. When you dissect the eye, like this here, inside it you can see this structure. This is called vitreous body. We will talk about it in the next session. Vitreous body is the jelly-like structure that we have here. Are you okay? And it's located inside the cavity that we call it posterior cavity. We will talk about it in the next session. So just know that this is the vitreous body. In the class I will talk about it. And when you look inside the eye, you can see the retina. So what you have here, guys, is retina. Can you see the retina, this innermost layer here?
Is this the blue part?
No, the blue part is choroid. Wait, are you do you want to sit down? Don't fall down on me, okay? I cannot hold you. So this is the retina, right? And what you have here, the shiny part here, is choroid. And here, can you see this structure here? Let me show you. This is the optic disc here. This is the place that you have for the optic disc. Where the optic nerve comes out. Let me see. Can you see the optic? Yeah, it's a part of the optic nerve here. Optic nerve here. So where the optic nerve comes out is called the optic disc. So this is the choroid, this is the retina, this is the lens. Look. This is the lens. When you have the cataract, what does it mean? The lens becomes it becomes clouded, it becomes blurred, right? You will see in the lecture that the lens mostly consists of the protein that we call it crystalline. Lens normally is
I'm fine.
Okay. It's completely transparent and it does not have any blood vessel. But when you have the cataract, it becomes cloudy and blurred. So that's why the vision becomes blurred. So I think that it's better to sit down. And this is the opening that you have here inside. So this is the iris, guys. This opening is what?
The muscles?
No, the opening. Pupil. This is the pupil. So what you have just around it is the iris. So if I put the pointer somewhere here, next to the opening, I mean the iris. Around the iris, the other dark thing, which is a little bit different if you look carefully, are the ciliary muscles. These are the ciliary muscles, right? Which are responsible for the changing shape.
No,
It's eyes, huh? Okay. So this is the pupil, this is the iris, and these are the ciliary muscles.
On the test, are you gonna like break it up like this and
Both. I may put the entire eyeball to ask you about the cornea or sclera, or I may dissect it to ask you about the choroid, retina, optic disc, pupil, iris, ciliary muscles. So guys, yes, please do the dissection. Make sure in your handout that you have gives you the parts that you are responsible for. Make sure that you can find them. And also look at the picture that you have your lab manual. It's very beautiful. It gives you all the structures.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
That's it?
Yes.